So I just got done working on the Laundry Pro 2.0. Aerus makes a takeoff, so where you can have one line run out to the laundry system and then another run out to, they just have a valve on it and then you run it out to something. I just got this solid lead-free brass Y adapter, just solid, there's no nothing in there. Thankfully it lined up right. I was worried that it wouldn't have clearance to the wall and be tight. So it lined up okay, so that's good. So I got it sealed, made sure no leaks. So I adapted it down to a 1/4 inch copper, ran it down and into So now I've got active pure water coming out over here, so I can fill up buckets or spray bottles. I got this this here spray bottle. It's my unmarked one from Grove. It's blue, clean water. So now I've got active clean water to disinfect and clean stuff. I tried it on I just washed my hands with it. It's kind of a weird feeling. It doesn't burn, but it's almost like hydrogen peroxide, but it doesn't bubble. So you can feel there's something going on when it touches your skin, but it's not burning. I'm gonna try it and see, because I want to see how, just how safe it is. They say, oh yeah, it's safe. Don't need to worry about it. It's the same technology that goes into their air sanitization products. You see they've got the it's active pure technology, certified space technology. These are the guys who made the laundry services for the space station, probably made in the USA. So seems decent. The bulb and the element are supposed to last 9,500 hours, or 9,500 hours. If you figure how many gallons of water it uses. I've got the ultra high efficiency GE profile laundry system, so it only uses a few gallons, maybe 3 gallons per laundry cycle. So I have a feeling this is going to last a really long time, depending on how much active clean water I use. This was, just a little Amazon. I think it was $14 or maybe $19 for that. Didn't come with the line, so I had to go to the hardware store, get the copper line, which is fine. And then I got these on Amazon. So this I got on Amazon, so that's lead-free brass solid. This is lead-free brass. It's a female garden hose to 1/4 inch adapter, 1/4 inch compression fitting. Then I just ran some, like I said, some soft drawn copper tubing. Went under the sink, came up into this. Seems to work pretty good. So hopefully that's safe. Again, I'll have to figure it out. I'm going to try it, see if it dries out my hands. I'm going to wait till I get a cut, and I'm going to try it and see if I can burn myself, because I want to make sure it's safe. I tasted it. Yes, I tasted the water. Tastes just like water. Again, it's kind of active. It's not like hot, but you can tell that something's going on with it. So basically, it's just it does something to the water. It ionizes it, makes some hydroxide and some hydrogen peroxide, but it's at a low enough level that it doesn't actually bubble, so I'm not sure what the concentration is. But it seemed to work pretty good. That spot right there, you would not believe how dirty it was. Well, I guess if you look at the rest of the nonsense that I've got going on here. I still have to do some wire management. I want to replace that with a GFCI, or maybe I'll replace that one with a GFCI and then run this one off of that, just as a standard thing. The other thing I might do is just add an outlet up here to get it away from below the water. It's kind of a hazard. It's not a GFCI. I don't like it, but I'll make it work. I think I'll get rid of that outlet and move it up over here. That'd probably be the way to go. At least have it above, right there. Probably about time to replace these two. This is brand new, but the existing ones are bad. I still gotta finish that up. I gotta trim that out. Trim up the old foam. All right. Let me know if you get any questions.